Time for the crimson clover to go. Since I broke my broad fork trying to work this dirt, I had to resort to using the old tiller. We got tomatoes and peppers on the way. We'll be planting a garden in the next couple of days. Still probably going to put beans and tomatoes in this little plot. And we'll use our 2 above ground beds like this for peppers. Blueberry bush is looking good, full of blooms. Cold weather didn't hurt it. Got some cabbage, beets, just a few onions. Onion plants are dying. And we got radishes coming up. Garden bed needs a little more work. We're gonna run to the store, get some compost, top dress it. Stay tuned, more to come. Thanks for watching.